takes just a quick glance, maybe 3 seconds, for someone to evaluate you when you meet for the first time. In this short time, the other person forms an opinion about you based on your appearance, your body language, your demeanor, your mannerisms, and how you are dressed. So whether they are in your career or social life, it's important to know how to create a good first impression. So do you want to stand out and make an unforgettable first impression in any meeting or conversation? Here are 10 expert tips to help you do just that. Preparation is key. Knowing who you're meeting and understanding their interests or challenges gives you a clear edge. You'll not only appear informed but also more likely to build rapport. Punctuality speaks volumes. Whether it's a virtual meeting or in person, being on time shows that you respect the other person's time. A bad first impression can happen even before the meeting starts. Dress for the occasion. Your attire should reflect the environment and the expectations of the people you are meeting. Looking sharp is an effortless way to convey professionalism. Confidence is your silent language. It's not just what you say but how you carry yourself. Good posture and intentional body language will instantly make you more appealing. Eye contact is powerful. It signals trustworthiness and keeps the other person engaged. Be sure to make regular eye contact, but don't overdo it. Balance is key. Your greeting sets the stage. A firm handshake, warm smile, and a well-chosen greeting can create an immediate positive impression. Make every hello count. People appreciate being heard. Listening attentively and using their name during conversation shows respect. It also helps to create a connection. We naturally connect with those who share common ground. Finding something in common, even something small, turns acquaintances into trusted contacts. Curiosity is key. Asking thoughtful questions and genuinely showing interest in the other person makes the conversation dynamic and memorable. Don't let a great first impression fade away. Follow up with a message or email to remind them of your conversation. It's the best way to solidify that initial impact. First impressions last, but only if you know how to make them count. Try these tips in your next interaction and see the difference they make. Like, comment, and subscribe for more professional tips.